everybody, my name is Diksha Tiwari and welcome to our channel Keep Inspired, the People's Perspective. We are right now currently present in Prayagraj and we are here at Kalp Vriksha Dwar, and we have people from all across India and they want to speak about what experience they had here in Mahakumbh Parv. So hello sir, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Kishore Kaushal. I belong to local here. I am working in Bangalore. I call my friends here to show them about Mahakumbha. I try to teach about the Hinduism. Like these people, we are all Hindus. He is Christian, so they wanted to know about what is Hindu.
Okay.
Hindu is the religion, and it is so complex. Even I couldn't tell, but they wanted to feel it.
Alright,
yeah.
alright. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Neha Johns. I'm from Bangalore. I'm doing MBBS.
So how did you like Neha coming here to Prayagraj and to this Mahaparv of Mahakumbh? What experience did you had here?
It's a great experience to see a lot of people like this. Very good experience. Very nice to see a lot of people coming here and spending time. I'm seeing a lot of new things. I'm learning a lot.
If I ask you, what have you, last how many days you're here in Mahakumbh?
I just came today morning.
Achha, you just came today morning. From today morning until now, what experience did you had? What feeling did you had inside you? How well this Mahakumbh has been treating you so far?
I'm awestruck, like seeing so many. We went to one place where they were serving food. Lots of people sitting, lots of sadhus sitting and eating. Then we went to that Naga sadhu. We saw them. It was very nice.
Do you know anything about Sanatan Dharma, what it is, and how you are interested into this Hinduism and the experience you are having here? What did you motivate to come here and have this experience?
So I've read a lot about this. I heard this is the world's largest religious convention. So I wanted to learn more. I have read something about Sanatan Dharma. I want to learn more. Like I hope by today's end, I will be a lot more informed.
So would you like to tell our audience who are hearing you about Sanatan Dharma? Whatever you have learned so far, would you like to tell about Sanatan Dharma, whatever you have learned so far by reading or by experiencing today's day, the people who are watching you, what message would you like to give?
From what I've learned, here you get forgiveness of all your sins by going and taking a dip in the water. So
Did you took the dip in the water?
no, I hope by today anytime I can do it.
All the very best. I wish you all the best, and I hope you enjoy and you feel the miraculous feeling which you will be getting here after taking the bath in the Ganga. Thank you so much. Hello sir, what's your name?
Shivanand Hiremat from Bengaluru.
Hello Shiva sir. How your experience has been since you are here in Prayagraj Mahakumbh Parv? What is the experience? How it is organized? What are you feeling right now?
Yeah. It's definitely mesmerizing experience, and the arrangement is fantastic here, right? The main thing is you have to come here not to look at the spectacles, but more you get soaked in, right, into this atmosphere, into the pravachan that they gave here with different akhadas. So that's why I had come on Ardhakumbh 6 years back, but this time I want to make it that I want to come for Mahakumbh. And yes, we have made it, and I'll be here for next 4 days just to get in, soak in, and really understand the philosophy and the teachings, etc. Right? So,
Since you have mentioned you visited last Ardhakumbh also, so what difference have you felt in the Ardhakumbh and in the Mahakumbh of 2025?
it's the scale. The scale of the event is massive, right? And the preparations and what has come out is really mesmerizing. I would say that it's a miracle such kind of programs can be organized, and thanks to Yogi ji and Modi ji for taking the special interest in making it happen for our sadhus who long to see such kind of event, right? For them it is like a party event, get together event, right? Every 12 months, and that we need to respect, right? And we come here, we respect them, we listen to them, and we take on some of the learnings from them and try to lead that path.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shiva.